This is his first time eating baby food.
What do you think?
And it looks like he likes the baby food.
What do you think? Please?
Do you like the food, handsome? Yeah. Hey, Mia, no.
Hold on, Papa.
He likes it.
That I can actually taste. The bartender just called me soda. My shoes are sitting on the floor. Nobody's yelling over anybody else. And for whatever reason, I'm taking it smoking up to an
Do you like it, Papa?
because she's my wife. I can get used to this.
Hey, Papa. Oh, look, he's trying to attack it. Doesn't look very appetizing, but I think he likes it. It's organic cereal with some banana in it, huh?
Banana?
Banana.
Search one and done. Chili's new Southwest parents who just ate
So yucky banana.
Banana.
Papa, no. Didn't you break it last time?
He's trying to eat it off the tray.
Come on, this.
This is messy.
Which just got better. Welcome to the show. Rated E for everyone.
You put it in his nose.
No, I'm not.
See where? It's going up into his nose.
That's because the way he's eating, Jerry. I'm not putting it in his
Oh,
nose.
take it off his upper lip. Is it still in 3D, Amara?
Hey.
Take it off 3D.
See, he's trying to eat it off the...
How do I look?
Like a doctor.
I'm a doctor.
Mariah.
Ew.
Ow.
What's the matter? You can't eat the pizza. It's yummy for him.